So as y'all know, I love to do our Boxy Charm unboxing. So today we got a midweek breakthrough video. We are going to be unboxing and trying on our Boxy Charm for February of 2021. Let's go. Hey y'all, it's Stephanie and welcome. If you're new to our channel or you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button down below. It's absolutely free. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, or any subscription boxes you want to see me try, go ahead and leave them in the comment section down below. And if you could, give this video a big thumbs up. It will certainly help the channel. Without further ado, let's get into the video. Alright, so we have our Boxy Charm box here, and I decided to switch it up a little bit this time. We're going to open it like this. Now this is a monthly subscription box. I am not affiliated with Boxy Charm in any way, but I do like their product. So let's look at it. So there is the card, and let's see what we got. We got a vitamin C sleep mask. Looks like that. We've got the Eye Duo Good Vibes mascara and eye pencil. Y'all know how I love me a good mascara. See, this is in Icelandic black. Okay, well, this is new. It's got like, that's kind of cool. Flip down to curl. Oh, it's got like a little eyelash curler on it. Okay, so we're gonna have to try this out and see how it works. I've never seen this one before. And let's see what the brush looks like. Okay, it's got a nice brush. That. Okay. And then of course it's got its own mascara in there. What is next? We got the limited edition liner duo in Love Letter. I'm thinking this is a pencil, a lip. Yeah, lip liner set, or lip liner and lip liner. So it's two lip liners. You got a brown, it's called Secret Admirer, and like a sienna brown that's called like Love Letter. So we will check that out today. Now let's see what's next. Okay, so we got a Glam Near. It looks like this is a set of brushes. Oh, these are cute. Plastic was sticking to the packaging. Okay, so we got some eye brushes. We got, and they have glitter in them, and they are very dense and soft. So we got a packing brush, a shader brush, rounded liner brush, and a angled liner brush. So we'll definitely try these out today. I love me some new brushes, and these are super cute. So we got the Getaway palette. So let's open it up. So as you can see, it's very neutral colors and they're very cute. So we will be using that today. The only thing we will not be trying out, obviously, is the sleep mask. So let me go and get everything else that we need, and we will be back. All right, so here we are. And we are going to start out, like always. And we're just going to be doing our eyes and lips today. We're not going to be doing our face or anything. As most of y'all know, I don't wear a whole lot of makeup. I do occasionally. And I can do makeup pretty decently, but I just don't wear a whole lot. I like my skin. I'm blessed with pretty decent skin. I don't break out very often, and I just like my skin. Okay, so we used our Tarte base tape to prime our eyes. Now we are going to go in and line them, and while that dries, okay, we are using the Serotonin Black Sand Line Sharpen Smudge Eye Pencil. It does have a little smudger there. Right there. So right there. So you can sharpen it if you need to. That's pretty cool. So we got a smudge and a sharpener. We will not be using those today. Let's see how this goes on. Okay, So we got our waterline lined. It works really well. I do like it. I wonder, we're going to test it and see if it dries down though. Okay, so we're going to make a line right here on my hand. And then I know it is smudgy and you can smudge it, but we are going to see if it dries down after a few minutes and it's no longer budge proof, because that's the real test. Because some of these softer liners like this, throughout the day they will move and budge and smudge and all that great stuff. Okay, so now let's go on to these Satin Luxe limited edition liner duos and Love Letter and Secret Admirer, and we will see which one we are going to. I think I'm going to use the lighter one on the inside a little bit, just as a tint. So there is that color. Now let's go in with this liner, which the tip broke on it, I guess. That sucks. Okay, let me go sharpen this and then we'll be back. All right, so we are back and it sharpened fairly easy. Of course, I didn't get the tip back, but that's fine. Okay, so I like those lip liners. I'm kind of disappointed that it was broke, but that happens sometimes in packaging. Not really the manufacturer's fault or the company. Sometimes it just happens. They would replace it and stuff, but it was in a boxy charm, so it's really not like I went and bought it from the company. How much is this normally? Let's see. This is a MSRP of $44. So yeah, if I had bought it separately like that, I would definitely be going to get it replaced. But it sharpens really well, and honestly, it's not too bad. So I'm not going to complain, but like I said, if I purchased it at the store like that, I would be returning it for a new one, because once you get a lip liner's point gone, you have to start all over and it's a pain. So with that being said, they work really well. They go really good together. I am going to be using this Tokyo Milk lip gloss. Okay, and there is our lip. I kind of like it. Let's move on to our eyes. So we're going to go into this Wonder Beauty palette, and we have some cute colors to choose from, and I am going to go into Day Trip and use that in this crease right here as a transition shade with this Glamure blending brush. Alright, now we are going to go into this Vila, and we are going to take that on the lid, in that crease as well. And we are also going to take that Vila under the eye a little bit. So now we are going to take our flat tapered brush from the set, and we are going to go into Bungalow, and we are going to take that all over that lid, and we're also going to take that a little bit under in the middle. So now we are going to go in with that same brush, and we're going to go into Cabana, and we're going to take that right in the middle of that other shade, just to brighten it up a little bit. And we're taking it a little bit further out than we would just to highlight. Alright, so that is how we want that. Now we are going to take this other liner brush, and we are going to take that Cabana, and we are going to take it to the outside of where that Bungalow was on the bottom. And just spread that out a little bit. Okay, Now we are going to go into After Hours, and we're going to spot highlight the center right there just to give it a little bit better effect. Just in the middle. And in that corner right there. Now we are going to go into Chateau, and we're going to take that into the outer V and darken up that outer V. We will take that shader brush. We will go into the Vila a little bit and the After Hours just a tad bit. And we will take it up on that brown bone just to blend it in. So Vila, After Hours, and over, just to make sure that we don't have any harsh lines. And we got a little bit of highlight up there. Alright, so I like the way that looks. Now let's go in and try this mascara. So this mascara, it's called Trestique, and it came with the eyeliner, and it has its cool little eyelash curler. So we're going to try that first. It did what it said it did. Now let's go in and let me get my other eyelash curler, just a regular metal one, and we will go in and curl the other side. The only thing with these ones though is you gotta watch out and make sure not to grab your eyelid. This one's a little bit more soft. It's got a more spongy texture right there, so it don't grab like your eyelid. Like, it was actually really easy to use. So let's try this. As you can see, the mascara did very well. I have a few comments to make. First, let's test out this liner and see. Alright, so it is not smudge resistant. It's been on there for about 30 minutes already. But it's not coming off with just a little bit of water. So let's try some alcohol. Alright, so it's not just coming off, but it does smudge. So there's that. Okay, so the box. I like the box again. I mean, you know, Boxy Charm does me pretty well. I like the palette. The Wonder Beauty Eye and Face palette, which the pink shade that I used as a transition is actually can be used as a brush, and the highlighter that I use for my brown bone can actually be used as a highlight. With that being said, it does have hyaluronic acid and mango seed butter to help reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles and hydrate the skin. Okay, so I like the palette. It was pretty great. I actually liked to use it all on the eyes though. Like I said, I wasn't doing my face today, so it's not really the palette, it's just a Stephanie thing. Now let's go to the sleep mask. I like the sleep mask. I always love skincare. Like I said, I haven't tried it, but I will try it. But I mean, I love skincare, so I don't know if I actually like that sleep mask or not, but you know, I like sleep masks and face masks and stuff like that. So now let's go over the eye mascara and pencil. Now the pencil does smudge. Obviously it's meant to smudge, but it did not come off right away. I absolutely love the mascara. It worked really well, and you don't have to worry about pinching your eye with it. So I like the mascara. It is a lot easier to use than this. You just have to do it more times across instead of once. Okay, now the Glamour Pink eye brush collection. It was brushes. I love brushes. I did have one that was coming off. It started to leak underneath the metal part of the brush. I already put them away, but so it did start to leak under that metal part that holds the bristles in place. So I added some super glue and put it back on. I mean, it's a brush set. It's stuff like that you can expect to happen with stuff that has liquid in it sometimes, but I mean, whenever you're paying $29.95, $30 for a brush collection, you're kind of wanting it to be quality, and the bristles were great, the concept was good, they failed in the execution. So I'm not really ecstatic about the brush set. But I mean, you know, not all of them can be winners, I guess. Okay, and then the St. Luxe Beauty Limited Liner Edition, or Limited Edition Liner Duo. Okay, so I actually like this set. The only thing I was disappointed in was the tip that fell off, but you know, that can happen to any product. It's not specific to this company. Sometimes stuff happens like that in shipping and transport and stuff like that. You just gotta deal with it. But other than that, I love my Boxy Charm for this month. Yeah, some things could have been executed a little bit better, but I mean, you know, I'm not upset with it. So that is my review of the February 2021 Boxy Charm. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this one, hit the subscribe button down below. And thank you so much for watching. Y'all have a great day. Bye.